Hey, what's up guys, Everything Blind here, and today we're going to be doing a sound quality test with the GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver Edition. We're going to do 4 different tests. We're going to have it outside of the case, completely naked, no housing, no nothing on it. As you can hear right now, actually, we're going to go ahead and start right now actually. And with a Kam Kicks GoPro carrying case, inside the housing with the skeleton backing and with the waterproof back door with the housing all together. So we're going to jump right into it right now. Alright guys, I have the camera actually facing to the field that's in the back of our place here. This is mostly just for the sound quality only. I'm not too much worried about the visual aspect of it all, but I want you guys to hear exactly what it sounds like completely naked outside of the case. So we're going to take a quick second and take a listen. Alright, and that is with the GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver Edition outside of the housings altogether, completely naked. Alright, this is test number 2 with the Kam Kicks GoPro carrying case, and this one here is just as good. All your ports are available on this housing here. Your power button, camera shutter, your Wi-Fi button, and your port door on the left side of the GoPro Hero 3 Plus is fully accessible, as well as the battery pack compartment as well. You also have a button, or a little hole at the top for your microphone, and the front and back are exposed, so if you drop it while you're outside, you could evidently scratch your lens or break it, so be very careful when you're using this case. But this is a sound test on number 2, so take a listen. Alrighty, we're going to go to test number 3. Alright, test number 3 is with the housing and the skeleton backing. As you can tell, it sounds a little bit more muffled, but it's not bad at all. It's the microphone is a little closed up behind the skeleton back door, but the sound quality is still good regardless. We'll take a listen right now. Alright, and we'll go ahead and jump to the last sound quality test with the waterproof back door. Alright, this is test number 4. As you can tell, my voice is a little bit more quieter because the GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver Edition is inside the housing 100%. Mostly you would use this back door only for if you're scuba diving or swimming, or if you're around a lot of water, dirt, sand, or snow. So you wouldn't want to use this if it's on a dry day. But we're going to have a sound listen real quick. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed that video, and if you did, click that thumbs up button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. right there if you want to see more product reviews, bowling videos, and much more on everything blind. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.